Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to underline text in a PDF file using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Nitro Pro PDF Editor and select review option this top anywhere and its underline option, click here and drag your mouse cursor, select your underline text. Now click on this underline and select and this properties option. Here you can see this underline color. See this. Also underline this text. Click on this text, underline and see properties and change your underline color and see this. This way you can underline specific text and you can change also underline color. This is again I will underline this text. Click on this underline and select properties. If you want, you can say this transparency. Make it 50%. See this. And says underline color. Yeah. This is. And finally save this file option. Save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.